everybody, I welcoming all of you to this class. In this class, we will discuss on chapter number 3, that is principle of arc welding. So in this the discussion, or in this chapter, we will discuss these topics, that is introduction to welding and definitions of welding, welding process, principle of arc welding, types of arc welding, advantages and disadvantages of arc welding, resistance welding, principle of resistance welding, and types of resistance welding. Coming to history or introduction to welding, in olden days, to join two iron piece, we used to take the help of blacksmith, and he does it by heating the metals and press jointly to make the joint of two pieces or more pieces, which is known as forge welding. But in later, welding technology has been changed by arrival of electricity. In late 18th century and beginning of 19th century, scientists figured out how to create heat by using electric arc. After that, the blacksmith's hammer, anvil and chisel started to be replaced by welding guns, electric grinders, and slowly now it is welding, the cheapest and most efficient way to join the metals. So after that, the different types of welding technology has been invented, like friction, ultrasonic, plasma, laser, electron beam welding. Next we will come to know about the welding, or the meanings of welding, cone. So it is a material joining methods, or the process by which metals are joined permanently or strongly by heating them to suitable temperature, with or without applications of pressure. This welding method is used in manufacture of automobile bodies, aircraft frames, railway wagon, machines frame, structural wires, tanks, furniture, boiler, shipbuilding, etc. And in several repair work also we use this welding method. So then this welding process is again divided into two types on the basis of involvement of the parent metal or materials during the welding process. First one is fusion and another is non-fusion type welding process. In case of fusion welding process, इतरे कौन हुए ना, parents metal निजे welding पाई निजे से melt है कि उटे complete welding बा joint टाकु बनाई था. So in this case of fusion welding, involvement of melting of parent metal takes place. So under this welding process, carbon arc welding, metal arc welding, electron beam welding, electron slag welding, and electro gas welding, which uses electric energy for melting purposes, and gas welding and thermal welding, this uses chemical energy for melting purposes. In non-fusion type welding process, इथरे parent metal ता केबे भी मेल्ट हुए नहीं जते बेले भी गोटे वेल्डिंग जॉइंट क्रिएट करबा पय चाहू छु सो parents metal does not involve or melting of parents metal does not involve in case of non fusion type welding process a welding process under a force welding gas non fusion welding emane they uses chemicals energy for welding purpose and explosive welding, friction welding, ultrasonic welding, all these uses mechanical energy for welding purposes, and resistance welding this uses electric energy for welding purpose. And coming to arc welding नारू ही आमे जानी परछु arc welding केस रे this type of welding generally uses arc for melting purposes or melting of metals. So this is the or the arc welding process is the welding process which used for melting of metals with the help of electricity to generate sufficient heat for softening the metals. Again arc welding this arc welding which takes the helps of arc for melting purposes. Then this arc the methods of initiations of arc in case of arc welding is divided divided in two types, or the methods in which the arc can be generated is classified in two methods. The initiation can be initiation of arc can be done in two methods, that is toss and start method, and another is field start method. In case of toss and start method, here the electrode is brought in contact with the workpiece. As soon as the toss takes place, a high current starts flow, and because of this heat is generated at the contact point of the electrodes and workpiece. And in this short time period, melting of metals takes place. Melting of metals also takes place. Once the short circuit is over, the electrode is taken away from the workpiece and space or gap is created. And again, because of open circuit or gap, a potential difference is created between the electrode and workpiece. In these situations, due to heating, thermal ionizations of electrons takes place from both the tips, from the electrode side or base plate ba workpiece तरफ भी हुआ, and these ions moves between the electrodes and workpiece. Once the density of ions becomes sufficient, जहाँ पर कौन है जो ना एक भीतर जो गैप अच्छे ये धीरे धीरे जितना सफिशिएंट आयन या भीतर पड़े आसते से को ये जो नॉन कंडक्टिंग टा से इलेक्ट्रिकली कंडक्टिंग हो जाए. Then arc is established in between the gap. Our field start method भी same जिनस हुए. In this case, the high strength electric field is applied across the electrode and workpiece. Because of this, the ions are emitted from the electrode and workpiece or base plates. Then arc is established in the gap. ଆଉ ଏଇ ଆର୍କ ଟା ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ ମେଲ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ मेटाल को मेल्ट करिया ପାଇଁ जहाँ पर हमारा कौन दीटा मेटल्स को हमें कौन जॉइंट करी परिबा. So this arc welding method is the most common method of welding. এটা both AC ଆଉ DC power supply रे এই welding को काम करी हुए ये जो किंतु टर्मिनाल टा को टर्मिनाल रे हमें कनेक्ट करिया इलेक्ट्रोड को और बेस मेटल को सेटा समथिंग इंपोर्टेंट है इन केस ऑफ AC, but in case of DC welding electrode is connected to negative and workpiece is connected to positive terminal. So এইটা হচ্ছে তার প্রিন্সিপল অলরেডি প্রিভিয়াস স্লাইডে যে ফিগার দ্বারা মু ডিসকস করଥିଲି. সো আর্ক ইজ দি so the principle যদি আমি কহিবা principle of arc welding. Arc is formed whenever electric current is passed between two metallic electrodes which are separated by a short distance from each other. এইটা হচ্ছে তার this is the basic arc welding circuit diagram. Here so in this diagram one electrode cable is connected to electrode through electrode holder and other is connected to the workpiece or workpiece. The arc is generated or established in between the workpiece and electrode gap. Then the coming to types of arc welding. Arc welding is of these 6 types. First one is plasma arc welding, then metal arc welding, carbon arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, submerged arc welding. প্রথমে ফার্স্ট অফ অল আজি ক্লাসে প্রথম ফার্স্ট তিনটা এই তিনটা টাইপস অফ আর্ক ওয়েল্ডিং ডিসকস করিবা. সো নেক্সট ক্লাস আমি পড়িবা নেক্সট তিনটা টাইপ আর্ক ওয়েল্ডিং আর নেক্সট চ্যাপ্টারে কন্টিনিউ করিবা. So coming to plasma arc welding. So plasma means the hot ionized gas. This plasma can be is made up of argon, helium or nitrogen or mix of these gases, and in this methods the electrode is made up of tungsten. Here the workpiece is connected to positive and the electrode is connected to negative terminals, and here DC is used for welding purpose. So DC is used for welding purpose. Here the plasma arc is created in between to join. The plasma arc is created and this helps to make the workpiece. Then coming to metal arc welding. Here the electrode is having flux coating. The flux कौन करे ना, ये ऑक्सीडेशन रू प्रिवेंट करे. ये जगह जो वेल्डिंग हम से ऑक्सीडेशन होबार चांसेस था, तो ये फ्लक्स सेटा को कौन करे ना प्रिवेंट करे. Here electrodes used are mainly of metals. Metals can be consumable or non-consumable. Both are used. The benefits of this type of arc welding is that it requires low temperature compared to other, because flux cover कर दिए बाहर, तो जहाँ पर अल्प टेम्परेचर ये जिनसा ये जो जिनसा हमको मेल्ट करियार थिला से जिनसा हमर इजीली मेल्ट हो जाए बा लो टेम्परेचर रे हमें गोटे जॉइंट टा को करि पारि. Then coming to carbon arc welding. In case of carbon arc welding এটা समस्त सुनिथिबो. It is the first arc welding process developed but Now it is not used for many applications. It is now it is replaced by twin carbon arc welding and other variations. So in this figure it is shown that the electrode is of non-consumable. Electrode is of non-consumable, and this is made up of carbon electrodes or graphite. Graphite also can be used as the electrode. So in this class, up to first three types of arc welding we discussed, and today we will stop our discussion up to this only. So now we will summarize the today's discussion. In this class we discussed about the history of welding, then what is welding, and we discussed welding process, arc welding, and then types of arc welding for effective joint. So thank you all. Thank you for your attention.